Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In other stories, ECG leader Prophet Shepard Busiri has celebrated his wife Prophetess Mary Busiri on her birthday with a heartfelt tribute posted on social media. And the message, Busiri said he was celebrating the woman God chose to walk beside him, pray with him, challenge him, encourage him, and share this journey with him. He praised her for carrying her calling with strength, faith, grace, and courage, describing her as someone who loves deeply, prays sincerely, gives selflessly, and keeps going even when the road is difficult. You are not only a prophetess to many, you are my wife, my champion, my friend, and one of the greatest blessings God has given me, Busiri wrote. The prophet prayed for God to strengthen her, increase her wisdom, protect her heart, and take her deeper into everything he has called her to become, adding that he prayed for their marriage to remain strong, purpose united, and love growing. The post attracted thousands of birthday messages from followers. Happy birthday to the prophetess. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.